Well, been driving this thing daily for the past week. And I guess I had a right rear brake lock up on the way home. Dang. Just gotta look at that. All right, guys. Got the little Nova over here at the shop. And yesterday had that brake lock up a little bit over here, but it wasn't trying to pull me down or stop me. But it wasn't stopping either. I think the wheel cylinder just got stuck. Driving it here, did not get hot at all, didn't smoke, had no issues, drove straight here, everything was fine. So we're gonna pull it off anyways and just check everything and see what was going on. And then we're gonna pull off all the hubcaps, probably rotate the wheels and tires. And then I'm hoping, then we'll paint this roof just because we got so much rust up here and it's some really thick stuff. Do a little sanding and then paint it over with that almond cream color, which I believe was the original paint up under here. And then you can see here, there's actually like a paint line where the rest of the body was that blue color. So, but anyways, do that. It'll make it a little bit cooler in there. And I may paint the wheels the same almond color and probably end up lowering this thing down at some point in time. So anyways, first thing we gotta do is pull off that brake. All right, so in here, you see that little adjuster in there, that little cog back in there. That's your adjuster, so we gotta spin that around to loosen it up so we can pull this hub off of here. What's weird is I've never seen an adjuster on this side. Maybe that's normal for GM stuff, but Ford stuff, it's all on the back side. But on the back side of these, there's nothing, is there? Nope. It's weird. All right, guys, so here's the inside of this brake, and the brake pads actually still look pretty good. So I'm guessing that the wheel cylinder itself right there just kind of stuck out, and then it got real hot and then cooled down and freed itself up, and now it's doing fine. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and let it run for now. At some point in time, that wheel cylinder will probably have to be replaced, but that's that adjuster right there, and this little plate you have to move out of the way in order to twist it backwards in there like that. However, looking under the car, this thing's actually pretty good up under here. I don't think any of these pans have been replaced. If they have, they did a really good job with seaming it together, because I don't see any strange looking welds or anything. The rockers look really, really good. Pans look really, really good. Trunk looks really, really good. I mean, overall, it's not bad at all. And there was a bit of an oil leak under here, but it's nice because you got that nice rust preventative spread everywhere under here. And you can see a little bit of surface rust on some of those. It's not got oil on it, but I mean, the pans and the rockers, I mean, look at the insides of them. They look really, really good. I'm actually super impressed because, you know, the door does have some spots here and there, both sides, and you tell that they put a little bit of Bondo in it, but overall though, the car's pretty solid. All right, guys, so this thing did not have a working horn on it, but Daddy and I have installed one. Daddy? So this is an old Aoga horn that I'm pretty sure I got free. It was like in the back of a truck, didn't work. We got it working years ago, and I was like, I need a horn, and I just happened to find it back there in the back, and hey, it's better than nothing, right? So, and we got the wheels painted up, and they came out pretty good. Got a little on the tire, took a little brake clean and wiped it off, but overall, I mean, these wheels weren't perfect in any way at all. You know, they're kind of rough, but took a wire brush and was able to brush off all the old flake paint and rust that was there. And this is some thick, heavy Rust-Oleum on there, so should be good for them. And it's, you know, kind of matches the interior. And I still don't know if I want to do the top yet or not, but this is good enough for now. I think it look pretty kind of cool. So we'll see. Pretty cool. Brightens it up. At least shows off that it has wheels on it. So I'm just being black.